Hi, this is Lippman Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2017 Ford Mustang, stock number 7275. It's ran from the 8th, 2015 to the 10th, 2017. It's an FM 5-litre V8 Coyote engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a V8 5-litre Coyote petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory alloy mag tyres no good. Left hand door mirror. Left front door scratched at the top corner. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear boot lid no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door has scratches along the edge. Right hand door mirror, right front 19-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.